Deciphering the phrase, setlist. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving deep into the world of music and events to understand a phrase many of you might have come across but wondered about, setlist. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it means and how to use it confidently. Setlist is a term primarily used in the music industry. It refers to a list of songs that a musician or band intends to perform during a specific concert or show. This list is pre-decided and often arranged in a specific order to ensure the performance flows smoothly. For example, if you attend a concert of your favorite band, they would have decided beforehand which songs they will play and in what order. This predetermined list is their set list. Musicians and bands use setlists for several reasons. 1. Organization. It helps them stay organized during a performance. Imagine forgetting which song comes next in the middle of a concert. 2. Flow and dynamics. Some songs might be slow and emotional, while others might be upbeat. A setlist ensures there's a balance and flow to the concert's energy. 3. Technical requirements. Certain songs might require specific instruments or technical setups. Knowing the order helps the crew prepare in advance. 4. Engaging the audience. Musicians often curate their setlists based on what they believe their audience will enjoy the most, ensuring an engaging and memorable experience. To understand better, let's see how setlist can be used in sentences. 1. The band played all my favorite songs tonight. I wish I had a copy of the set list. 2. She glanced at the set list before starting the next song. 3. Fans often share the set list on social media after a concert. And there you have it. The term setlist is a fundamental part of the music world, helping performers and audiences alike. Next time you're at a concert or watching one online, remember the effort that goes into creating that perfect set list. We hope this video clarified the term for you. Keep learning, and see you next time.